Let me ask you something. Is Windows 11 26H2 actually real? Or is it just another internal rumor? Because over past weeks, my comment section has completely exploded. After I uploaded 2 videos on Windows 11 26H2, one on ISO download, another one installation guide. Many of you asked, bro, is 26H2 fake? Why doesn't winver shows 26H2? Did Microsoft officially release it or not? So today, no clickbait, no guessing. I'm gonna explain everything clearly step by step. And trust me, the answer might surprise you. Hey everyone and welcome back to Sudama Lab. First of all, let me be very honest with you. Windows 11 26H2 is not fake. But it also not officially released to the public yet. Right now, preferences to 26H2 are showing up inside Windows Update logs for insider builds from Microsoft, especially in Dev channel. However, here's the confusing part. Even after installing updates, your winver still shows the older version like 24H2 or 25H2. System settings don't mention 26H2, but files on a system looks updated. So what's really happening? Let me break it down in simple language. Right now, 26H2 isn't behind the screens testing. It's being pushed quietly through insider channels, but Microsoft hasn't officially labeled it yet in winver. This means the features are there, the files are there, but the branding is hidden. Classic Microsoft move. Just like previous updates, 26H2 is coming a small enablement package. That means Microsoft already placed the most features inside earlier builds, and 26H2 simply unlocks them. It's not a full operating system replacement. Think of it like this. Your house is already built, 26H2 turns on the lights. Here is something most people don't know. The 26H2 name usually appears first inside of the history, especially under settings, Windows updates, of the history, uninstall updates. But winver continues to show the older version until Microsoft flips the final switch. So yes, your system may already contain 26H2 components, even though Windows refuses to admit. So for just tracking 26,300 build series, notice the official documentation always comes later. Microsoft rolls things out quietly to insider first, then announces it publicly months afterwards. So what you're seeing right now is pre-announcement deployment. Instead of changing the 26H2 label, do this. Press Win+R and then type winver. If your build number is 26,300 or higher, you're already on 26H2 test track. Then go to Settings, Windows Updates, Update History, and Uninstall Updates. That's where the 26H2 enablement package usually appears first. Now the big question, when is the real public release? According to current insider parents, the official Windows 11 26H2 rollout is expected in late 2026. Until then, everything you see is early access testing. So let's answer it clearly. Windows 11 26H2 is not fake. It's not officially released yet. It's real. It's already being tested quietly. You may already have parts of it on your PC. Microsoft just haven't revealed it publicly yet. If this video cleared the confusion, smash the like button. Drop a comment below. Does your system shows build 26,300? Were you also confused about 26H2? And don't forget to subscribe to Sudama Lab and see you in the next one.